everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create a Tinder account on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tinder is an American geosocial networking and online dating application that allows users to anonymously swipe to like or dislike others' profiles based on their photos, a small bio, and common interest. In order to create an account on Tinder, go and click open your web browser first. In the search box, type in tinder.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Tinder. If you already have an account, you can click on the login button at the upper right corner and enter your credentials to log in. But if you'd like to create a new account, click on create account, and you can create an account with the help of Google, Facebook, or with your phone number. Choose any one options. Let me click on the login with phone number option. Complete a small puzzle to verify that you are a person but not a robot. After solving a couple of puzzles, you'll end up in the next page where you'll need to enter your phone number. Type in a valid phone number that you have an access to and click on continue. Wait for the code to arrive on your phone number via an SMS. Once you get it, type it in the text boxes. Click on continue after you're done. Now, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have an access to. After you're done, click continue. Go through the information once and click on I agree. And now, in order to create an account, you'll need to type in your first name in the first text field. Move on to the next field and enter your birthday information. Select your gender on the next. You can choose to show your gender on your profile by clicking on this box, but if you don't, leave it unchecked. Now, your email address has been already typed in. You can add your passions by clicking on the Add Passions option and select one of your passions. Select your multiple passions from the category. After you're done, click Continue. You can select up to 5 passions from the list. Now you can go ahead and add your sexual orientation from the options displayed from the pop-up. You can choose to show your orientation on your profile as well. To do so, click this box. If not, uncheck it and click Continue. Now, finally, you'll need to add your profile photo. You can add up to 6 photos, but you'll need to add at least 2 photos in order to continue. Click on the plus button and select your picture from the computer. Adjust the picture by zooming it in and out and click Choose. Add another photo, and once you're done, scroll all the way down and click Continue. And with this, you have successfully created a Tinder account on your desktop. Now you can go ahead and swipe people from left to right and get going. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.